In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change billing address on Etsy. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click, so your billing details are accurate and up to date. Start by opening a fresh browser window and searching for Etsy. This keeps things clean and avoids cached pages that might show outdated menus. In the search results, select the official Etsy website. You'll know you're in the right place when you see the secure lock icon in the address bar and the familiar Etsy homepage. Once you're on Etsy, log into your account. Use your usual email and password and complete any security prompts if they appear. Being logged in is essential because billing settings are only visible within your account. After you're signed in, go to your account and choose Account Settings. This is the general hub for your personal details and preferences, and it's a good place to make sure your profile information is accurate before you change billing specifics. Next, head to your Shop Manager. This area is for sellers and is where financial tools live. If you manage a shop, the Shop Manager link appears at the top. Entering it gives you access to your store's backend. Inside Shop Manager, navigate to Finances, then select Payment Settings. This is where Etsy keeps your payouts, billing, and related information. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the tabs so you know where everything lives. Find the Billing section and click the Edit button. This opens the form you'll use to update your billing address. Editing here ensures your address is tied correctly to your billing profile. If you see an option that says, "My billing address is the same," uncheck it, then click Continue. This tells Etsy you want a different billing address than your default and unlocks the fields you need to change. Click Add an address. You'll now be able to enter a new billing address without altering other addresses on your account. Carefully type in the new address, including street, city, state or region, postal code, and country. Make sure the format matches what appears on your bank or card statements to avoid verification issues. If there's a confirmation or acknowledgement checkbox, select it to confirm the address is correct, then click Save. Give it a moment to process and look for a success message or the updated address displayed in your billing section. That's it. Your billing address is now updated, helping prevent payment errors and keeping your account compliant. If you make future changes, return to the same payment settings area and repeat these steps.